Welcome to Ackee, a Jamaican city full of vibes, culture and history. Children play and children sing and children learn about everything.
And in Ackee Walk, we all reassure each other enough respect.
Ackee Walk, and me say Ackee Walk. We'll have fun round the clock. No muss, no fuss, no fight. Learning about children's rights. Learning about children's rights. Learning about children's rights.
Good evening and welcome to the Ackee Walk Talent Show. We here at Big School believe that school should do more than teach children math and English. It should also teach them to develop their talents. This year we had two entrants, Miss Manish Aunty and the dynamic duo Kingston and Lucy. So first, let's welcome Miss Manish Aunty.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Big up to everyone in TV land. Yes, and no one who's videoing a big star like me. Anyway, my name is Manish Aunty, and I come here to say a poem tonight. I is a little old, so I might forget some of the words. Just jump in and say them with me. Alright? Ready, steady, go. Labor for learning before you grow old, like me and catch arthritis. Because learning is better than silver or gold. Yes, man. At you, silver or gold. Silver or gold will vanish away, and that mean disappear, or as you young ones like to say, it a go cut. But a good education will, how the last part go again? Never decay. Yes, man. What a bright and fununu sponge a picnic. I love unu. Walk good, you hear? And good up you walk with unu. Me gone, me foot them at me now.
Give it up for Miss Manish Aunty. Now, next are Kingston and Lucy. They'll be performing a song.
I am Lucy and I can sing. I can sing almost anything. That's my talent and I know it's true. I can sing and so can you too. Na enough respect. Na enough respect. Hit it, Kingston.
Lucy are the singer, me are the DJ, and I can run fast, kick hard and play anything, any game and any toy. I can play them all. Me are the master boy.